Hi, everybody. Joe Cioffi. Weather in a minute. Monday, the 21st of July. Nice weather. I mean, we have been waiting for a shot of dry air with some staying power, and that's exactly what we're seeing here as an air mass is coming down from eastern Canada. In fact, if you look closely up uh, near near the top of the screen here, you'll see clouds that are actually moving from north to south and running down through upstate New York and New England. That's that dry air funneling southward. And the other thing to notice is the fact that we do have a complex of showers and thunderstorms and some very heavy rains that are moving through parts of Missouri and heading for southern Illinois and Indiana. But that complex is actually moving to the southeast. Even the blow off clouds are getting deflected southward across West Virginia and Virginia. So we're really in a good place. For the next couple of days, I think we're going to see subdued humidity levels probably through much of Wednesday before they really start to come up for Thursday and for Friday, which is going to be a very hot and very humid day indeed. Now, the Storm Prediction Center just want to point out that we have the Northeast, the northern mid Atlantic states from northern Virginia north and east. No thunderstorm activity is forecast for today. And when we look at tomorrow, it's an even larger area in the east with the no thunderstorm line getting all the way down into North Carolina and as far west as Indiana and Michigan. So this is going to be a relatively inactive period through much of this week with respect to showers and thunderstorms. And as we take a look at what's going on, we've got the last bunch of days here of July before we get into the month of August. And what's really interesting is that we're going to see a couple of pattern shifts. This trough in the east is going to pull out, so that means a big warm up. And by Friday, we're going to have a ridge over the middle Mississippi Valley and the lower Ohio Valley, and we're going to be kind of on the edge of that. So you can expect temperatures to make it back to near 90 on Thursday and probably mid to upper 90s on Friday. And that's when the upper high is settled in the east. But over time, that's going to shift more to the west. The high is going to rebuild in the Rockies. And you see it here as we move through the last days of July. And then we're going to see troughs barreling into the eastern part of the United States. If this verifies, then I think we stand a good chance of seeing some uh, rather decent shots of dry air masses coming out of Canada on a more regular basis.